In today's class, I'm going to explain Data Environment Designer (DE) Data Environment. Okay, in the last class, we have discussed about this ADO DE control. ADO stands ActiveX Data Object. DE means DE stands Data Environment. Okay, using this ADO oblique DE, using this ADO and DE, we can connect a VB form to a database. Okay, we can send and receive the data from the tables to a VB form with the help of data bound control. A data bound control is like a text box control. It is connected to a field in the database to send and retrieve the data from the database to a VB form. Okay, so one of the main feature of VB is supports database programming. Database programming is nothing but sending and receiving data from VB form to a database. A database is nothing but a database file created in Access Oracle. Okay, right? It is a collection of interrelated data. This can be done with the help of ADO and DE. So how to make a connection with the ADO? I will explain in the further classes. Okay, so with the help of this ADO ActiveX data object and with the help of data environment, we can create a link between this database VB to database. With the help of data bound controls, we can view the data, we can send the data, we can retrieve the data. Okay, DE stands Data Environment. A Data Environment Designer is an ActiveX designer tool provided by Visual Basic. A Data Environment Designer is an ActiveX designer tool provided by Visual Basic. A Data Environment Designer provides an interactive design with time environment to access data from the database at runtime. ADO is a control. ActiveX data object is a control. Here data environment is a designer tool. It is a designer tool. It is an environment to create a link between database and a VB form. Okay, database and VB form. DE is an environment to create a link between database and data bound controls. A data bound control is a control. It is linked to a field in the database to receive and send the data from the database. With the help of the properties of data environment, we can connect a database to VB form. Data environment is not like a control, like ADO. Data environment is not a control like ADO. It is an environment. Means by writing code and setting properties, we create link between database and VB form. Data environment is not a control like ADO. It is an environment. We create link between database and VB form. ADO control retrieves data from the database one by one record, but data environment retrieves all the records in a table. Okay, so here data environment, ADO control generally retrieves record by record, but data environment retrieves total the data available in the table at once. Okay, it stores in data grid controls. A data ADO control supports only data bound control, but here this supports data grid controls also. Features of data environment: add a data environment designer to a Visual Basic, create connection objects, create command objects based on tables procedures, use synonyms and SQL statement, write and run code for connections, drag fields with a command object property object from the data environment designer onto a Visual Basic from the data report. Okay, now I will show you the data environment. Start Visual Basic, open, go to this project, click here, add data environment. This is an environment. So here the connection is available, connection 1. So simply select this one, right click and click on properties. Okay, with the help of this data link properties window, we can connect the databases. Here so many providers are available, so 3.0, 4.0, okay, like that so many providers are available. With the help of this providers connection, so these properties, these settings, we can create a link between database and a VB form through this data environment. Okay, so I will show you how to create a connection further classes, right?